Greetings. In this video I want to show you how to change the power steering fluid on a Nissan vehicle. This particular model is the 2014 Nissan Altima, but it doesn't matter if you have a Rogue or a Sentra or a Versa or whatever Nissan model that you have. I want to show you how to change the fluid. And a lot of times you'll know you'll need to change the power steering fluid if you turn the handle and it just makes the wheel and it makes a grinding sound. So on the 2014 Altima, you're going to look for this little button there. Pull that sucker up. And we're going to open up our lid. And from on the Altima, it's right under here. Right here where the logo is. And you're going to find that little lever. And you're going to go to your left like this. There we go. There. Now, to get to the power steering fluid reservoir, you want to look for a container that looks like this. And if you can see, it's got the abbreviations for power steering fluid, PSF. So it'll usually look like that. Sometimes they're located over here, but look for the reservoir that says power steering fluid or PSF. And make sure you haven't been running your vehicle. Make sure it's cooled down for at least 45 minutes. And of course we turn to the left to open this sucker up. And it looks like I got plenty. So I'll take my fluid here. And it'd be nice if you had like a little funnel to put on here, like an automobile funnel. And then of course you want to fill it up all the way to the reservoir there. Alright, thanks again for watching. Make sure you subscribe.